We had a water line bust here approximately 3 weeks ago and caused a single lane collapse.
Prosperity Road in Raleigh County is currently under repair with a soil nail project after a recent slip due to a busted water line. The contractor, GSI, is making quick progress on the repair. Brett Settles with the West Virginia Division of Highways, he's the inspector on the ground, provides this update.
We are coming in to install a soil nail and GCS wall. This will require us to install soil nails into the existing face of the roadway and then reinforce it with a shotcrete wall and then build a GCS block wall further out to reestablish the lost lane of traffic. And then it will be backfilled with 57 stones as well as crusher run and then re-asphalted after completion and guardrail installed to finish everything off.